Welcome to the Dynamic Piano Studio family. My name is Miss Diana, and I'll be your piano teacher and guide on this exciting musical journey. So whether you're brand new to piano or you're picking it up after a break, this class is designed just for you. In this course, you will learn the basics, which means we'll dive into note reading, rhythm, posture, and technique, building a solid foundation from day one. A plus about this course is that you also get to develop skills for life. You're not just learning songs, but you're gaining confidence, discipline, and focus, all while having fun. And last but not least, we play real music. So we're gonna tackle some amazing songs that are fun to learn and rewarding to play. Ready to give it a try? Take a peek inside and see what our class is all about. We'll begin each class with a walkthrough of each song, which I like to call an analysis. I write in some notes and markings that are important to remember, and you walk away really understanding what it is you're about to play. Following the analysis, I will walk you through step by step as I play the song for you, and the keys light up above so that you can have a visual of what's happening as you play.